Amit Shah recently addressed a media conclave in Patna, making a significant promise. He assured the people of Jammu and Kashmir that statehood will be restored at the right time. This is a crucial step for the region, which has faced many challenges. Shah also spoke about the demands for autonomy in Ladakh, emphasizing the need for a good resolution. He highlighted the progress made since the abrogation of Article 370. In the past 9 months, there has been no local terrorist recruitment, which is a positive sign. As the region prepares for potential elections, the focus remains on stability and growth. The NDA's campaign in Bihar is also intertwined with these developments,